Today, I am reviewing the GMKtec K11 gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The AMD Ryzen 9 8945HS at the heart of this machine is not just a spec sheet flex, it genuinely shows its strength in daily use. Multitasking feels effortless. You can have multiple browser windows open, heavy development tools running, background downloads going, and even jump into a game or a rendering task without the system feeling strained. What impressed me most is how consistently responsive the system stays under load. Even when pushing all cores with demanding tasks, the performance feels stable rather than spiky. That consistency matters far more than raw benchmark numbers in real-world use, especially if you are someone who works long hours on a single machine. The 32 gigabytes of DDR5 memory running at 5,600 metric tons per second plays a huge role in that smoothness. This is not just enough RAM. It is fast, modern memory that actually lets the processor breathe. Applications stay in memory. Switching between tasks is instant, and there is no feeling of bottlenecking even with memory-hungry workloads like virtual machines, large code bases, or high-resolution media editing. The fact that the system supports expansion up to 128 gigabytes makes this feel like a long-term investment rather than a sealed, short lifespan device. Storage performance is equally satisfying. The included 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD delivers the kind of speed that you notice every time you interact with the system. Boot times are short, large files move quickly, and applications load without delay. What really elevates the K11, though, is the presence of dual PCIe Gen 4 slots. That opens the door for serious expansion. Whether you want separate drives for work and personal projects, a high-speed scratch disk for editing, or simply more storage, without compromising performance. This is the kind of flexibility usually reserved for much larger systems. One of the most interesting aspects of using this machine is the Oculink port. For anyone even remotely interested in external GPU setups, this changes the conversation entirely. Unlike typical Thunderbolt-based solutions, Oculink provides higher bandwidth and noticeably lower latency. In practical terms, that means external GPUs feel far less like a compromise. Gaming performance is more stable, frame pacing improves, and the overall experience feels closer to what you'd expect from an internally mounted GPU. Even if you do not plan to use an eGPU immediately, knowing that the option exists and is actually viable gives the K11 a future-proof quality that is rare in this category. Display support is another area where daily use really highlights the thought put into the system. Running multiple 4K displays simultaneously feels completely natural here. Whether you are spreading productivity tools across several screens, editing on one display while monitoring timelines on another, or simply enjoying a clean, expansive workspace, the K11 handles it without complaint. There's no flickering, no random signal drops, and no sense that the GPU is struggling to keep up. It feels like a machine designed for people who actually use multi-monitor setups seriously, not just as a marketing checkbox. Networking performance is rock solid and clearly aimed at power users. The dual 2.5 GB LAN ports are not something most mini PCs offer, and they open up use cases beyond simple desktop computing. Whether you're experimenting with networking, running a home server, setting up a firewall, or just want maximum wired throughput, the capability is there. Wireless performance via Wi-Fi 6 is equally dependable, delivering fast and stable connections, while Bluetooth 5.2 handles peripherals without hiccups or random disconnects. Thermal performance is where many compact systems fall apart, but the K11 largely avoids that trap. The upgraded dual-fan cooling design does a genuinely good job of managing heat. Under normal workloads, the system stays quiet enough to fade into the background, and even under sustained load, fan noise remains controlled rather than distracting. The ability to choose between different power and performance modes is not just a gimmick either. Quiet mode is genuinely quiet. Balanced mode offers a strong mix of performance and acoustics, and performance mode unlocks extra headroom when you need it. Having that control makes the system adaptable to different environments, whether you are working late at night or pushing the machine during the day. The updated BIOS adds another layer of polish. Options like VRAM allocation, Wake on LAN, and Auto Power On make the system feel more like a serious workstation or server-capable machine rather than a consumer gadget. These are features that matter to users who care about control and customization, and their inclusion reflects a clear understanding of the target audience.